Hey folks, welcome back to another Espresso Tech Shorts, and today we're going to be making an Irish coffee. So, there's a couple different ways to do this. The recipe that I use is going to be, about 2 ounces or 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey, and then some gently whipped cream, and a bit of sugar. Now brown sugar, like Demerara brown sugar is best. This is raw cane sugar, it'll have to do. And then you just want, as for coffee, you want just a strong coffee. So there's going to be a lot of other flavors in this drink. So you want a bold coffee that will cut through those, as opposed to get washed out. And the first thing we're going to start is we're going to start by making our coffee. So I'm just going to do an Americano here. So I got my hot water. And then my shot. There we are. We're going to add about, well, you don't need to be super precise with Irish coffee, but this is going to be about, I don't know, maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar. And just give it a stir. And at the same time, we're going to add our whiskey. Any whiskey will do, as long as it's an Irish whiskey, of course. I happen to be using Kilbeggan. I think it's generally a nice whiskey for the price point. So that's about 1.5 ounces there. And then just give that all a stir together. You want that sugar to dissolve so that you don't get granules in your drink. That's not really super pleasant. And then we're going to put that aside, and we're going to do our cream. So I have just whipping cream here, unwhipped, of course. And I'm going to whip it gently. I'm not going to, well, we'll just see how long it takes. You want it to thicken up. You want it to somewhat lose that wet paint texture, but you want it to be very pourable, because what we're actually going to do is pour it over the back of a spoon on top of the drink to create like a really nice layered effect. This is probably a bit much cream. You don't want to use, you're probably only going to use about 2 or 3 ounces of cream. It's kind of hard to whip only 2 or 3 ounces of cream. So we're using a little bit more here today, and that's okay. And you want it to be cold when you start whipping it, because the colder it is, the thicker it will be. A little more here. All right, we'll see how that is. So then take your spoon, put it upside down, just over the drink, and then just pour very slowly. Just like that. And then if you wanted, you could do I don't know, sprinkle a nutmeg on top is always nice, kind of like a fall spices kind of thing. And there you go. Now, ideally this is served in a glass mug with a handle. I don't have those. So I just used kind of a goblet glass. You definitely want something glass so you can see that separation of cream and coffee. It's really aesthetically nice. But any glass will probably be all right. I don't think the Irish mind all that much. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.